Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This is a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house found in Green Acres in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 5,200 square feet, with the size of the lot being 11,707 square feet. This house is currently on the market for 41 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First up, we have the veranda. Next is the living area, dining area, and this is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. Out of 6 bathrooms, 2 were shown. Next, we have the balcony. We then move from here to head back on the outside. Now this would be the end of the images for house number 1. We move right along to house number 2. Now this is another 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house found in Bellevue Heights in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 7,895 square feet and it's on the market for 65 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living area, dining area, and followed by that are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen, and this is a second kitchen. Next we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is a 4th bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the 3rd bathroom. Only 3 bathrooms were shown out of the 6. Followed by that, we have the balcony. Now these images will be showing the layout of the property. And that will be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This is a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house found in the community of Keystone in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 8,052 square feet and is on the market for 48 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. And next is the kitchen. For the living and dining area, there were no images provided. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, And this is the third bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, 3 were shown. Followed by that, we have the bathroom. Only 1 bathroom is being shown out of the 4. And that would be it for house number 3. House number 4. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Civil Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 5,821 square feet and it's been listed for 30 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. First, we have the veranda. We then move on to the living areas. Here's the first living area. And this is a second living area. Next we have the dining area. And this is followed by the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is a second kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Next is the laundry area. Next is the back veranda. We then move from here to head back on the outside. That will be the end of house number 4. House number 5. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in the community of West Chester in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,400 square feet and it's been sold for 19 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the living area. Here we have kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is a third bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, 3 were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 2 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Lastly, we have the laundry area. And that will be the end for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So guys, if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.